All right, welcome back everybody to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150 project. Couple things that I did and I continue to do is do some powder coating on small items that I use. I've got a powder coating kit I've had for years that I got from Eastwood a long time ago, and it's a do-it-yourselfer kit. And so basically you sandblast a part, get it down to bare metal, clean it, and then you'll hang the part, put an electric charge to it, which is part of the kit of the powder coating, and then you, with like an air gun, you're with a cup underneath of the powder, you're blowing the powder onto this part, and the electric charge makes it stick to that part. So when you're done from that, then you go and you put it in the oven, an electric oven, and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes until it's cured. So what happens is that powder melts and turns into a real, almost hard as glass coating around the whole part. Protects it from rust. It's very hard to chip and very durable, and it's very much heat resistant as well. So it's good for certain pieces. I don't do it on everything, but there are a lot of parts that I like to do it on. It's good to use. Keep that in mind, and it's definitely a do-it-yourselfer. And once you've done it a few times, it's not that hard. So stay tuned. There's more to come, and we're still moving on this project.